Hello friends, I am Orgho, your educational consultant and admission guide. Today's topic: Top 10 Expensive Universities of India. Let's start. Number 10, Thapar Institute of Technology. This autonomous university was founded in 1956 and situated in Patiala. The last green campus has 6 buildings, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, famous for its undergraduate course in engineering. The college is well equipped with gym and reading room. It has the best and the richest alumni base in the country. It has an accommodation of 6,000 students. The university is planning to set up 2 new campuses in Chandigarh and Chhattisgarh and introduce management courses in the near future. This is the least expensive university in this list as it demands for Rs 36,000 per semester. Number 9. BITS Pilani. A deemed university is an institute of higher education in India under Section 3 of UGC Act of 1956. With 15 departments, the university focused primarily on undergraduate education in engineering and management courses. Birla Institute of Technology and Science is one of the best private engineering colleges in the whole wide world. Except for Pilani, this university also has its branches in Goa, Hyderabad and Dubai. BITSAT is their own personalized examination which helps them select students for a particular academic session. With Rs 1,15,600 every year excluding hostel facilities, the university also is a part of the list of expensive universities. Number 8. BIT Mesra. This deemed university was established in the year 1955 in Ranchi, Jharkhand. This main campus is wholly residential, providing accommodations to undergraduate, postgraduate, faculty and staff. It has research laboratories, lecture halls, workshop halls, playgrounds, gyms and a central library. It is also Polytechnic University since 2001. It conducts various annual fests and has numerous clubs and teams. It has a fee structure of Rs 1,72,000 per year. Number 7. Symbiosis International University. This multi-institutional university is a private co-educational hub located in Pune. This autonomous institute has 28 educational institutions spread over Nashik, Noida, Hyderabad and Bangalore apart from Pune. This institution demands for Rs 2,25,000 per year. This private university not only offers engineering courses but also management and various other courses. Number 6. The LNM Institute of Information and Technology. This deemed university is located in Jaipur, over 100 acres of land. This institute shares a private-public relationship with the government of Rajasthan and acts as an autonomous non-profit making institution. This institute has partial on-campus housing, open theatres, shopping complex and gyms. It has hostel accommodation for both boys and girls. It charges Rs 1,46,500 per semester. Number 5. Lovely Professional University. This semi-residential university is created in North India under the Punjab State Private University. Spread over more than 600 acres, it is a huge campus and it would nearly take an entire day to check out the entire campus. This campus is free from using drugs, alcohol and cigarettes. Ragging is an offensive action of the campus. Situated in Jalandhar on the National Highway 1, looks like a very planned infrastructure with shopping complex, lush green gardens, residential complex and a 24/7 working hospital. It has a lot of connections with foreign universities, making student exchange policies a very obvious prospect. It offers nearly 200 courses including undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate and doctoral courses. This college has a hefty fee structure of Rs 2,97,000 per year excluding hostel charges. Kolingo Institute of Information and Technology, KIT University, located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses in engineering, biotechnology, medicine, management, law and much more. It bags the 5th rank among all national level self-financing universities in India. Dr. Achyuta Samanta started this institution in the year 1992. It is the youngest university to be deemed by the Ministry of HRD of India. It is spread over 700 acres and is an eco-friendly campus. Each of the campuses is named after a river. It has numerous gyms, sports complex and post office services on the campus. It has a 1200 bedded hospital of its own and also helps the students and staff with the transportation with their own buses and vans. The lush green garden, ragging-free campus makes it suitable for one to maintain a healthy environment. It charges Rs 3,04,000 every year excluding hostel charges. Number 3. SRM University. Found in 1985. This deemed university is located in Tamil Nadu. It has 7 campuses distributed as 4 in Tamil Nadu and 3 in Delhi, Sonitpat and Gangtok. It is said to be the best college for engineering in India by many. The main campus being in Kattankulattur, it has many foreign relations. The expenses are not less than Rs 4,50,000 every year. Number 2. Manipal University, located in Manipal, Bangalore. It is a private institution. It has its branch campuses in Dubai, Sikkim and Jaipur. It has a chain of 6 libraries and offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses. It covers 600 acres of land. The main campus is divided into 2 halves, health science and engineering. It is also a member of Association of Commonwealth Universities. It charges Rs 2,01,000 per semester. Amity University, most expensive universities in India. It is a multi-campus private research university system. This was built in 1995 and turned into a full-scale college in 2003. BBA and LLB are positioned number 1 in India. The main campus is located in Noida. It is one of the top 30 universities in India and provides various courses. It has a hefty charges of Rs 2,02,000 per semester. Thus is the most expensive university in India. These universities are reputed universities of India and gained international goodwill. Students from all across the world come to these universities to complete their academic dreams. Thank you. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel.